Hey, what's up guys, this is Azim here, back with another video, and this time I'm going to show you how to connect a Moto 360 smartwatch with an Android smartphone. Now in this case I have a OnePlus One over here, which is obviously an Android smartphone, and first thing you need actually on your phone is the Android Wear application, which I've already installed. And first let's take the smartwatch handy. It says you're ready, swipe to continue. Let's start by pairing with your phone. On your phone, download the Android Wear app. Okay, so here it is. Android Wear app. In the app, tap this watch code. So here, pair with a new watch, I'll say. Turn on Bluetooth. Here it is. So as you can see, Moto 360 9675 over here. I'll click on it and it says accept. Okay, so here it is, pair with OnePlus One, and the code is the right, so I'll click on pair. Now it says paired, so that was easy. As you can see, it's not that difficult to connect an Android smartwatch with a smartphone. So here we are just waiting for the smartwatch and the OnePlus One to get updated, and it's doing all sorts of things on my smartwatch. In the meanwhile it's updating, let me show you guys what this Moto 360 smartwatch has over here. Keep the phone aside. So as you can see, it's an awesome round display with almost no bezels. So a lot of people have started complaining that this black line over here, a sensor, ambient sensor, which allows the display to automatically adjust to the light. So I would anytime take this ambient sensor rather than automatically or rather than manually getting the display light updated. So on the right you have this button. This is the only button you will find on this smartwatch Moto 360, which actually I'll show you the use of it, but right now I would say that it is only there to switch off and switch on your smartwatch. To your left you have a microphone. This is actually only used by the Google app voice, Google Now. So whatever you can dictate your messages to this smartwatch, it will send the messages back to yours, to the person you're trying to send. Behind, you actually have a heart rate sensor, but I cannot make out from here, but it does have a heart rate sensor as well. It's still updating. And this is leather. In the meanwhile, as you can see on my smartphone, it says Moto 360 connected. So now as you can see, it's still showing syncing, and it is showing 12 of 12 apps, I believe. This is the smartwatch smart application watchmaker that I had installed on the smartphone. Now as you can see on this, it has connected, and here it is still showing not connected, so it's still syncing on this. So here it is guys, it's been downloaded, and this is the first time I'm booting this smartwatch, and in the start it says swipe up to get started. So you swipe up. Alright, you are all set. Swipe up to get started again. Great. So this is how you communicate with your smartwatch. So this is just a quick tutorial, and it says you can also swipe to dismiss when in app. So this is how you dismiss it. And for apps and actions, press and hold the side button. So that's the side button which I was talking about previously. So that's it guys. Now it is showing a couple of applications that I had installed previously. So just before I let you go, these are the pre-installed apps over here inside. Blossoms, Classic, Dials. This one is something that I have installed. If you wanted to see, it looks like this. So this one is gorgeous, right? And then a couple of others. Watchmaker Premium, Minimal. This is again one application which I have installed. It's taking quite a time to read. And this is what it does. If you click on it, it shows you the moon's position, I believe. Then there are a couple of other pre-installed apps, pre-installed smart faces. So there it is guys, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till time, enjoy.